You're a crack?
Yep, that wasn't a good sound.
Poor Caddy. What did he do to deserve this? Eat our bait.
Not fair.
No fair.
All I did was eat some worms.
What did I do?
Where's the derby gonna be at?
At this lake.
That's a good part. Right there in the lake.
That's where we caught these.
It's a nice little park.
He's dead, huh? Already?
Well, yeah, he's dead, but his body's still twitching.
No, he's breathing.
So I said his body's still
There goes the blood running down.
I heard that the Chinese people eat the catfish.
leave the Chinese people alone already, dude.
No, because I'm racist with Chinese people. The head's still moving. That's a creepy.
Look, even if the body still moves right now, watch.
Leave it alone. Let it twitch. The head's moving.
It's sliding.
Oh heck no. He's really thick, huh, Dad?
It's really thick. Oh, nice one.
Did you hear that?
Yes. Dude, this is like the grossest thing out of grossest anything in the
Where do you
world.
think hamburgers come from, son?
Huh?
Where do you think hamburgers come from?
Cows?
Yeah, well, what do you think they do to cows before they become hamburgers?
No way, they do the same thing?
Hell yeah.
I'm strict for a chicken. Oh, what the heck? Is it ready? Are you gonna wash them, Dad?
Yeah.
Look at the fat move.
Is that fat right there, Dad?
No, that's all meat.
Damn.
Good meat too. Yeah.
Are you gonna take the bones out right now?
Take the bones off, huh?
Huh? Blood hit me in my face right now.
Oh shoot. Is that the heart rifle? The little fat stuff? Don't tell me that's the testicles.
It was a girl. Is he slippery, Dad?
Yeah.
Oh, you cut yourself, Dad. You're bleeding.
Cut myself.
Again.
Dad, the knife's in there.
No, son. Where's on this table, son?
Okay. That was disturbing.